This is Larry Shover, CIO of Efficient Advisors from the CME Group in Chicago. Well, S&P 500, along with all the major averages, are up big. Talking about the S&P 500 flirting with its 200-day moving average. And traders and investors alike are scratching their head to say, why? What happened? What caused all this to happen? Of course, I don't know the answer, but I can say that after 3 decades of trading, that you have an investor class bruised and battered like they were back in December. That causes sentiment to be negative, causes positioning to be very light, which begets the initial rally that we saw. Now, on February 6th and 7th, we saw a mini correction in the market, and a lot of these chasers of the market were relieved, thinking that this market is going to wobble and consolidate for a while, but that didn't happen. The market continued to race on. Now the S&P 500 is up near 9%. On the fundamental side, if you just look at earnings per share, we just got through an earnings season. We are just about a 16 times multiple for the S&P 500, which is about right according to consensus. Assigning a 16.5 multiple would get us up maybe 100 points higher, maybe a little bit less than that. But I'd like to say that it's not always fundamentals that drive the market, even in a later cycle market. In fact, position and sentiment, people chasing the market, performance anxiety, trying to keep up with the benchmarks can definitely cause fundamentals to take a back seat to position and sentiment. So all that to say, as I say every time, a well-diversified portfolio, not looking at day-to-day or week-to-week or even month-to-month performance really matters, but just keeping straight the fact that fundamentals are sound. And right now the market is being taken over by position and sentiment. And for fundamentals to drive it further, we're going to need a big catalyst to come out to change the whole dynamic of the S&P 500. I'm Larry Shover, CIO of Efficient Advisors from the CME Group in Chicago.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.